makikita kayo mahabang pila sa mall.
So guys, papunta kami sa Aguinaldo. Sabi ng mapa.
So guys, dito sa Torres Farm, madaming farm. Ayan guys, so dito kami sa Burj Khalifa. Ganyan lang siya guys eh. Ewan ko. Wala na ako kasama mag-vlog dito. Gabi-gabi na. Naglalakad kami. This is our last gala in here. May naligaw sa amin. Ano pangalan mo nga ulit? Ay!
Ramos.
Kung sino man yan siya. What I learned from the field trip is that there are things that will never be forgotten, like history and the joy we shared with our friends. For me, this field trip wasn't made just for us to learn about history, but to strengthen the bonds we have with our friends. And I realized that there are things in life that money can never buy, and one of those is friendship.